it's Michael Cruz from succeedwithmichael.com, and if you want to start making money online, in this video I'm going to show you how to do it on complete autopilot, so stay tuned. Okay. So let me go ahead and put my glasses on, and before I illustrate you, how to make or how making money online works and how you can do an autopilot, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos if you're watching this on YouTube. And let me get right to it. So if you want to start making money online, let me illustrate you the formula very quick. So everything really pretty much starts with traffic. And what is traffic, right? You might be asking, what is traffic? Well, traffic is simply eyeballs, people on the internet looking for solutions to their problems. And then the second component of making money online is pretty much having a high converting system, or they call it sales funnel. Spell that right. High converting system. Now, this component right here, number 2, is pretty much this is how you make money online on autopilot. You need that system in place. If you ever hear people making money online while they're on vacation, while they're sleeping, or they woke up to X amount of money, they got notifications on the phone. Let me tell you, it is legit. I actually experienced that multiple times, because not too long ago I discovered I learned about systems and the importance of making of having a system to make money on autopilot. So you need a high converting system or sales funnel. Let me write sales funnel, and hope you're taking notes, right? So this way you can apply this to yourself too, so you can start making money as well, right? So you need a high converting system or sales funnel, and what the system does, it actually does the telling and selling on your behalf. Now let me go ahead and minimize this so you can see how it all works. So as I said, everything starts with traffic, and then this traffic could be coming from anywhere, right? From social media, it could be coming from a blog, even from YouTube. People are searching on YouTube for different solutions, right, to problems they're having. They want to fix something, so they go to YouTube and they find videos, right, that they can actually learn from, or they can go on Google and find blogs or websites, right? So everything starts with traffic, and this can actually happen on autopilot, right? So once somebody's searching for something, then they when they're making money online world, then they actually find a page called a landing page. And that landing page is basically something to capture leads, right? You want to capture leads because that's your only job when making money online, is to actually generate leads, right? And then so the system is generating these leads, and then at the same time is actually showing that person a presentation or offer, showing them the solution, and is recommending something to purchase so they can solve the problem, right? So the solution is something that the system is offering for them to purchase. So so definitely that's what's going to help you make money on autopilot online, so you can start making sales. Now, once this process happens, there's something else going on. So when they enter their name and email, or just the email, they're gonna actually be put on an autoresponder. And what an autoresponder does is simply send automated, like I'm gonna say relevant automated messages, again on autopilot, to that is related to the solution that the person is looking for. Let's say up here they didn't have time to watch the presentation or get access to the product that they need to solve the problem. So the autoresponder is actually following up with them, so they can actually letting them know that that they were at a certain step in the process, so they need to finish where they left off, right? So this is what the follow-up and autoresponder does, okay? And all of this can be done for you, and definitely this is how you can start making money online on autopilot, doing this formula right here: traffic, capture leads, and make sales. But you need that high converting system in place, right? And then let me get the third component. You're also gonna need products, right? Something to offer, because you need to make money, right? So somebody's looking for a way to, for a way to lose weight, right? If they're searching for a way they can lose that belly fat, right? They're gonna go online automatically, either YouTube, Google, social media, etc. And then they're gonna land on a page that's gonna, hey, look, check out how to lose 5 pounds in 10 days, or how you can lose that belly fat in 10 days. Enter your name and email below to get instant access on a free video or a free ebook, whatever it is. Okay, so once they enter a name and email, and then they see how they can do it, how they see a presentation or an ebook that's going to show them how they can lose that belly fat, then they get follow up on by the autoresponder. Okay, and when I first started, I did not understand any of this, but with time, I actually started understanding how everything works, and that's pretty much it. This is how you can start making money on autopilot. Super super simple stuff, but you're gonna need the right system. You're gonna need the right coaching, the right training. And if you want to know what's my number one recommendation for making money online on autopilot starting today, even if you don't have any previous experience, go ahead and click the link below this video. It's going to actually give you access to to a free training that is going to show you exactly how to start making money online, and how you can do it with having everything already done for you. Okay, because when you're starting out, setting these things up can be super hard. It can be super techy. You got to do product research. You got to hire techie people, hire system engineering people. And you don't have to do that, right? You don't have to hire any web designers or nothing like that, because my number one recommendation has all of this done for you. So all you got to focus on is pretty much on simply sending traffic onto the system that you're already going to get access to. Okay, it's a done for you system. It's my number one recommended system for making money online on autopilot. Again, your only job is to send traffic and generate leads, which that could actually be already done for you as well. So again, traffic can be coming from anywhere. Okay, and again, traffic is eyeballs. So let me show you here. This is my blog, right? I actually teach people things on my blog. So as you can see, I have a video here that I show people how to start a blog and make money, right? So the blog is just simply a form of getting traffic. When people are searching for how they can start a blog, then they eventually will stumble upon my blog and this post here, and they're going to learn how to really start, because I show them how to start a blog and make money, right? So if they're looking, because they're looking to make money too, I got different banners here. I got a click more, get more info button here, and I got banners that that talks about this millionaire wants to give you his business plan, etc. So if they're interested, they're gonna click on that, and again, that's gonna take them to a page that's really gonna take them into my system. The system that I have in place is gonna show them exactly how to how they can actually, for example here, how they can get access to that business plan that the millionaire wants to give them, right? So you can use a blog also to create traffic, and this could happen on autopilot because this content here is going to stay on the internet forever, for years and years to come. So you can actually, if you can visualize in the long term people coming into your website or YouTube channel or social media page, etc., when they're searching for, you can see people coming years from years and buying from you because you actually giving them a solution that is going to solve their problem, right? I offer people the solution of making money online, which that's what I'm showing you right here, and this is how you do it. So this is just one method, is using a blog, right? You can use a YouTube. Maybe you were searching for making money online and you found me, right? Like in this YouTube video, if you're watching this on YouTube, maybe you're doing that, right? So basically, that's how you found my video. Maybe you went through my blog and you're watching this video through my blog. Maybe you're watching this video on social media. Whatever the case is, you're looking, you were looking you were looking for making money online, and you found this, right? So basically that is the formula right there. And again, if you want to know what is my number one recommendation, go ahead and click the link below. Click that link, enter the details, and access the information. and then it will show you exactly how to start making money online. And if you believe it's a good fit, go ahead and get started, and we'll see you on the inside. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.